We have thousands of ideas that cross our desk every session. So it is helpful to be on a trip like this as a legislator so that we can really focus and hone our skills. I do not come from a tech background, but being able to come to a city and see what other tech companies are doing, what other legislators have done, what other laws have been passed is really helpful so that I can take that back.
The trip has introduced me to a rich network of corporations and higher education that I think are going to be critical in the partnerships and strategic work that the St. Louis Science Center will do to advance understanding and a knowledge of the science in our state.
It has been just amazing to see all these very large companies, Amazon, T-Mobile, as well as Microsoft, and the work they are doing in the technology space and how they are taking things to the next level.